you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but
So we are going to first start off with the brows like I normally do. I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade with my Sephora Pro Brow Brush. I like to first outline my brow and then kind of start filling them in. Then going in with concealer, I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. I'm going to be using a flat shader brush to carve out my brows so they look more defined and sharp, and to honestly erase the mistakes that I have made. I apologize if you could hear dogs in the background. And I'm also applying this all over the eyelid. I'm old school. I like to apply my concealer on my eyelid just to color correct the lids and to prime the eyes. Then taking a soft brown shade, I'm using this one called Clay from the Lorac Pro palette. I'll link everything down in the description bar for you guys. I'm going to be applying that into the crease. And I'm using a soft fluffy brush just to do that job. This is going to be our transition shade. Next, I'm going to be applying the shade Canvas. This is just a bone colored shade. I'm applying that brow bone highlight. This is definitely a crucial step because it makes the eyes pop instead of it looking like you just kind of put eyeshadow all over your lids and looking all messy. This kind of cleans it up. Now taking any warm brown eyeshadow with a tint of orange in it, and we're just gonna apply that into the crease. I love the shade. I think it's absolutely beautiful on a lot of eyes. It really makes the eyes stand out more, and it's honestly my go-to shade in any eye look. And then I'm going to be taking a warm chocolatey brown shade and applying that to the outer V of the eyes. I'm kind of just packing that color on at first and then going in and blending it out with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to be taking the Violet Voss Loose Glitter in the shade Copperella, and I'm going to be taking the Violet Voss Lash Glue Adhesive. I'm going to first apply the adhesive on a flat shader brush and kind of tapping that on the areas I want the glitter to be. Now I'm going to be taking the same flat shader brush and applying glitter on the eyelids right on top of the glue. The adhesive really helps make the glitter stick, and it literally lasts all day. I love this color so much. Look how pretty it is. It's this beautiful like rose gold copper color. And then just pack as much as you need because glitter is literally amazing. Rose gold is literally my favorite color. My phone is rose gold. I have a bunch of jewelry that's rose gold. My stapler on my desk is rose gold. Like, girl, I love rose gold. Now I'm going to go back in with that dark brown shade that we used in the outer V earlier. And I'm going to be applying that to kind of smush the two colors together. Then I'm going to be going back with the glitter, applying a little bit more, and then I'm going to go back again with the dark brown shade and using those two to kind of smash the colors together to blend them in. And then in this clip you can see that I put on eyeliner. I am not the greatest at putting eyeliner on camera because I literally have to kind of crouch down really close to the mirror. And now I'm just applying foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310. I'm going to be using the MicroFusion sponge from Juno and Co. I've been loving this sponge so much to apply my foundation. It is super flawless. It looks super good on the skin and it doesn't soak up a lot of product. I do have a review on this. I do have a review on this sponge already, and I'll leave the link down below for you guys so you guys can watch that. Now I'm applying lashes. Oh my gosh, lashes with this makeup look looks so bomb. I'm using these ones from Eylure. I'll leave the link and the name of the lashes down below if you guys want to check them out. They're more fuller, they're beautiful, they're glamorous, they're perfect for a glamorous glittery eye look. And look how the eye look looks with eyelashes. Like, it looks so good. I'm going to be using the Snow Glow palette from Sephora. and I love the packaging on it because it is rose gold. I'm going to be taking the bronzer shade in that palette and applying that to my cheeks as well as my temples. And then I'm going to be taking the beautiful peachy blush color in the palette and applying that on my cheeks. Then I'm going to be taking the highlight shade. It is a dupe for Champagne Pop, I definitely think so, and applying that on my cheekbones. I almost forgot what it was called. And applying that literally all over my face to give me that super beautiful glow, which will look super good with the eye look. And then we're gonna be applying lip color. This is the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade KoKo K, and it just completes the look. It's the perfect nude shade for my skin tone, and it just pulls the whole look together. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!